Hi, my name is Bart and I am PHP software engineer with 7 years of professional experience. So far, I have worked on large and advanced systems that process huge amounts of data and handle traffic amounting to tens of thousands of HTTP requests per second. Today, I would like to invite you to take a course that will make you a better software engineer and significantly accelerate your professional career. Together, we'll build and deploy a production-ready advanced application that consists of many independent distributed components. To start, we'll set up several instances of Nginx server with a reverse proxy and 2 instances of PHP applications based on the Symfony framework. You will learn the advantages of the Nginx server, the difference between a proxy and reverse proxy, the difference between a layer 4 and layer 7 proxy, what load balancing is, and what vertical and horizontal scaling of an application means. Next, we'll add 2 instances of PostgreSQL database to our application, for which we'll configure an asynchronous replication mechanism to ensure greater security of processed data. We'll route the traffic between the PHP application and the databases through HA proxy, which we'll configure as a load balancer. This way, you will understand the mechanism of database scaling and why it is worth separating the write process from the read process. The next stage of building our application will be the implementation of the asynchronous message broker RabbitMQ along with the Symfony Messenger package. This will allow us to utilize server resources more efficiently during write operations and make the application more resilient during periods of high user activity. You will learn and understand the differences between synchronous and asynchronous data processing in application. To further enhance our application performance, we'll optimize the read process by implementing 3 instances of Redis database, which will replicate in real time with a mechanism protecting the application from errors in case of a failure of one of the instances. The final stage of building our application will be the implementation of a simple REST API based on the Symfony package called API Platform. This will show you and help you understand how all the individual components come together to form a single functioning web application. Finally, we'll secure our application by implementing SSL certificates to protect the confidentiality and the integrity of our data. With the application prepared this way, we'll containerize it using Docker, deploy it on dedicated servers, and link a real domain to make it accessible on the public internet. You will learn valuable and universal skills that are easily transferable between projects or even different programming languages. However, the most important thing is, while acquiring new skills, you will also have a lot of fun.